Alright, today we have linear functions. We're going to identify and write them. Doesn't that sound like a load of fun and goodness? Okay. A linear function is a function whose graph is a straight line. Linear means straight. Linear equation is a straight line. Function notation is a way to show the output value of the function f when f of x corresponds to the input value f. Function notation means instead of y, you write f of x. F of x means y. It's the same thing. On a linear function, it's just the way it is. Okay, so linear functions, you use f of x instead of y equals. Determine whether each function is linear. If so, give the slope and y-internet, that's a new one, y-intercept, of the function's graph. Okay. So, remember, to be linear, you have to have an equation with just an x. It can't have an exponent at all. So, because we have f of x equals 2x to the third power, it doesn't represent a linear function because x has an exponent other than 1. Okay? F of x equals 3x plus 3x plus 6. We need to write the equation in slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form means there's only one x. There's not two x terms. So we can look at these, and since they both have an x with the same variable, we can add them and get 6x plus 3. And now this function is linear because it can be written in the form of f of x, which we said was just like y, equals mx plus b, where the slope is 6 and the y-intercept, which is b, is 3. Write a rule for each linear function. Step 1, identify the y-intercept b from the graph. Well, you can see that that graph of that line intercepts the y-axis at 2. Okay? And then we're going to locate another point. Let's just locate this one right here, because that's what they located, 1, 4. What you want to locate is a point where that line crosses that graph perfectly. So you're not at a whole number for each coordinate. So you're not trying to guess, like, is it 1.4 or 1.5 or 1.6? Okay, it crosses perfectly at 2 whole numbers for your coordinates. Step 3, substitute the x and y values into the equation f of x equals mx plus b and solve for m. So remember, f of x is the same thing as y, so if you're getting confused on what do I substitute in for f of x, it is your y coordinate. So your y coordinate is 4 equals m times x, and your x is 1 plus b, which is 2. Okay? So remember, this equation is just like saying 4 equals m plus 2, because 1m and m are the same thing. Then you're solving for m, so you look to the side with the variable. The constant is positive 2. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So when we solve for m, we get 2. Okay? So the rule is f of x equals, and we're going to put our m and our b here. So our m was 2, and our b, or our y-intercept, was 2. Or, to make that prettier, f of x equals 2x plus 2. A video game club costs $15 to join. Each game that it rented costs $1.50. Find a rule for the linear function that describes the total cost of renting games as a member of the club, and find the total cost for renting 12 games. So, no matter what, you have to pay $15, whether you rent 0 games or a whole bunch. You have to pay a base of $15. So that is our y-intercept. Okay? So, then the cost of renting 1 game is $15 plus $1.50, right? So, we're going to substitute that here. $16.50 is the cost of 1 game. So that is because our y is dependent on our x, right? And our x, we can choose any amount of games. Our x is our games, our y is our price. So we can choose any amount of games and put it in here, and if we multiply it by m and add 15, we will get our total price. So we get 16.5 equals 1m plus 15. Now we subtract 15 from both sides, and we get 1.5. So renting one game is $1.50. We already knew that, but that helps us check it out. Okay? So the rule, this is our slope, because for every game you purchase, your cost goes up $1.50. Okay? So the function is f of x equals 1.5m plus 15. So the cost of renting 12 games is, you're going to put a 12 here because your games is your x and you see an x there, right? 1.5 times 12 plus 15. Don't worry about that. That side, you're not doing anything with the left side. All you're doing is multiplying 12 times 1.5 and getting 18 plus 15 and getting 33. Okay? When you are using function notation, you don't do anything with the left side. The only part you're solving is the right side. So if you just cross out the left side, it will help you remember that you don't do anything with it. Okay, your 3 check it outs. Determine whether the function f of x equals negative 2x plus 4 is linear. If so, give the slope and y-intercept. Write a rule for the linear function. Remember, you find the intercept. 1 point on the line, and substitute in for y equals mx plus b. Solve for m. And then a book club has a membership fee of $20. Each book purchase costs $2. Find a rule for the linear function that describes the total cost of buying books as a member of the club, and find the total cost of buying 10 books.